Hey guys, Davin Lim, board certified dermatologist. In today's video, we'll delve into the topic of excessive hair growth caused by a condition known as PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome. We will explore its underlying causes and how to effectively treat it with innovative at-home IPL devices, which can offer you a comfortable and highly effective means of managing excessive hair growth. So guys, you may have heard the word hirsutism. Hirsutism is a medical condition characterized by excessive growth of hair in areas where it typically doesn't grow there, or where hair is usually fine and light in color. This condition primarily affects women and can lead to the development of coarse, dark hair on areas of the body where typically men grow hair, such as the face, chest, back, or even the abdomen. This excessive hair growth is often caused by an underlying hormonal imbalance, particularly in the case of androgens, which are basically male sex hormones. Conditions like polycystic ovarian syndrome and certain adrenal gland disorders are the most common causes of hirsutism. It can also be a side effect of some medications, or in rare causes, it may be idiopathic, which is basically unknown cause. Regardless of the cause, hirsutism can be a distressing condition for those who experience it, and it can lead to low self-esteem and also body image issues. This is why I've partnered up with an IPL hair removal company called Ulike. Their story started over a decade ago with their innovative IPL hair removal devices that empower women to take control of their beauty routines from the comfort and convenience of their own home. In the past 10 years, they have become the industry leaders when it comes to IPL, and they are super committed to raising awareness on PCOS. So, the treatment for hirsutism typically involves addressing the underlying hormonal imbalance. This may include medications to regulate hormone levels. This will be discussed in part 2 of the video. The first part will discuss cosmetic treatments using devices like IPL to help manage excessive hair growth. If you're looking for an effective, comfortable, and also an affordable way of managing hirsutism or excessive hair growth, my recommendation is the IPL device from Ulike. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. This offers a permanent hair reduction by targeting the root of the hair follicle itself, while temporary methods like shaving or waxing may only offer short-term hair removal. The devices from Ulike are a game changer in the hair removal space because they have a rich history of innovation. They used advanced light technology to safely and effectively remove hair right from the root. Unlike traditional in-clinic treatments, IPL carries no risk of skin irritation or discoloration, and instead of pain, you'll only feel a cool sensation similar to a cold drink touching your skin. This is thanks to the sapphire cooling technology that Ulike has developed, and is also due to the auto-glide method. Through 7 generations of products, Ulike has consistently improved your experience. The Sapphire ice cooling system is the first in the industry to revolutionize at-home treatments. It works by providing real-time cooling through the Sapphire crystal light window. This ensures a comfortable but also effective hair removal light treatment for each patient. The other compelling reason as to why I endorse hair removal at-home systems as compared to in-clinic devices, especially in the management of PCOS-associated hirsutism, is the cost effectiveness over time. With PCOS, there is a hormonal drive for hair growth, and hence in most cases, maintenance therapy is advocated. Having a safe and effective home use device like the Ulike Air3 just makes sense. This will save you time, effort, and most importantly, money over a period of time. In this video, you've seen how control, convenience, and affordability come together with Ulike. Take the next step in your journey towards confidence and comfort. For more on Ulike and their state-of-the-art home use hair removal IPL, refer to the captions down below and visit their website. Now guys, this is the second part of this video. This will discuss medications that you may use to help reduce hair growth. This can be prescribed by your endocrinologist or your dermatologist. However, most patients don't usually go down this route just because of the fact that you need to take these medications for life. The first one is called an anti-androgen. It's called spironolactone. It's a safe medication, but still we need monitoring because your potassium levels may go up. Spironolactone is typically taken in a dose between 50 to 200 milligrams a day Generally speaking, blood tests need to be conducted after each dose escalation, and it works by decreasing the amount of androgens that actually attach to your receptors. The other two medications which can be used include your anti-hormones found in the oral contraceptive pill. They include cyprotan acetate and drospirenone. Generally speaking, if you're on the pill, it takes between 3 to 6 months before you see an improvement in your hair growth reduction. The downside about taking the pill are the risk factors associated with the oral contraceptives, including coagulation disorders, for example, blood clots, but also possibly cancer risks associated with that. However, you do need to talk to your physician in regards to the risk-benefit ratio of the oral contraceptive pill. The last thing you can use is known as a topical, which is a cream, and the cream of choice is called Vanicar. This is also known as eflornithine, and it works by decreasing the enzyme associated with hair growth. It does take 3 to 6 months before you see changes. However, once you stop this cream, your hair basically goes back. Guys, if you're really serious about hair removal, especially associated with PCOS, consider a home use device. You can use in-office clinic-based systems, but for most cases of PCOS, unlike normal hair growth, where there's very little in the way of androgen excess and hormonal influx, for PCOS, you do need maintenance. Hence why I reckon home use devices are the way to go. Guys, I hope you liked that video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.